Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how this Justdial application works with Odoo. And by the way, this is the sponsored video by Innoblend Solutions Private Limited. Let's check out how this functionality works. So here the first thing is we have to go to in CRM. Here in the configuration menu, you can see this third party integration available, right? This menu. If this is not available in your user ID or the specific user ID, right, which you want to provide the access rights, then you have to simply go to the settings, users, and that particular user you have to open, active the developer mode, and after that you can see CRM third party integration is available. You have to check. Then after you have to save this record, and after that you have to inform that user to refresh the screen, or in case it is your current user, then you have to refresh the screen. Make sure it will have the proper access rights. After that, the configuration and the third party integration menu is available. Once you click here, you can see here the multiple integration channels available here. Let's focus about the only Justdial integration here. Now here it's pre-filled all the informations. Let's say the name, link generated, the operation is the push, and my URL, and the source is the Justdial. For you have to configure this company, campaign, media, and the team. You can configure here these informations, and you have to leave this URL, user ID, profile ID, and key as a blank. You don't need to fill anything here, right? After that, once you successfully configured this part, after you have to copy this URL and you have to hand over this URL to your Justdial team, and they will configure it from their side. And now onwards, the new leads automatically generated in the Justdial. So Justdial team will send that lead to this URL. Okay, and after that, once the successfully we receive any new leads, it will goes to here in this CRM my pipelines, right? And here let me go to in a list view, and here let me generate one dummy lead from my Postman application. How it works, you can see here right now we have a 19 leads, right? Once I refresh, now you can see here 20 leads is generated, right? Now so here you can see this is the new one I have created recently, right? You can see here. Now the thing is, you can see here the subject name, the lead subject name, ERP implementation, the email address, the phone number is available like this. After that, you can see here if they have a company, then company detail also available here, the specific address for that user, right? The contact name is also added here in this contact name. The phone number is also available here. And you can see here one more interesting thing is, for example, the campaign, the medium, the source, company, and the sales team which we configured in the India Mart, right here in the third party here. So that one automatically available here. You can see here, right, all the informations. And here inquiry information, this is the general information, but it is a read only. You can see here Justdial ID, the inquiry type is the category, right? Here let's say the product detail is ERP implementation, and yeah, like this way the detail automatically available here. The branch, the lead date, the DNS, mobile number, and the phone number also available, something like this way. So whatsoever the inquiry we will receive, we will automatically convert like this way in Odoo side. Okay, so we don't need to do anything. Rather than like we have India Mart and Trade India, they have like pull and push APIs. So from and to we have to select. So this is the manual process from this application. So it's not available like this way, but it's directly available with the push API, right? So whenever it's new leads generated in the Justdial API, make sure you can provide our URL, right, that generated URL, and once they will configure it, we will automatically receive from the Justdial. We don't need to do anything in the Odoo side, right? So yeah, this is the you can receive Justdial leads into Odoo. I hope I already covered almost all the informations about this application. And yes, one more thing is, so here You can see multiple Justdial accounts you can also create like this. Here, make sure you have always select source as a Justdial, or else it won't be work. Let's say right now I'm working with my San Francisco company, so leads generated under this company, right? Then after, let's say the direct, the team is the pre-sales, right? And here we have to make it as a push API, and we have to click to this link generated, and that's it. After, you can see this is automatically generated, this URL, and this URL we have to hand over again to the Justdial team, and that's it. After, we will automatically receive this account leads inside Odoo here in my pipeline. All right, you can also group by with the source. You can see here Justdial, we received already 3 leads, right? This is for the newsletter, lead calls, and the search engine. Another thing and very interesting is this one. You can see here in the apps, let's say CRM integration IDs. So you can see here it generated all the leads from this third party integrations. So you can see here like that all the leads from this CRM integration IDs. So you can also identify from which CRM integrations this leads coming from. All right, so yeah, that's it for these features. If you have any doubt related to this topic, or you need more information for this application, kindly contact to Innoblend Solutions team, and see you in our next session.